Today we're unboxing a simple but powerful cable management set. Tangled cables everywhere? Don't worry, there is a solution. The braided sleeve is flexible and easy to wrap. The adhesive ties stick firmly to any surface and are reusable. Just wrap and done. Cables are neat, protected, and organized in seconds. From messy to tidy, instant improvement. Next, wipe the surface clean. Tear off the adhesive backing of the cable tie and stick it on the surface. Secure your wires to it. Perfect for quick access to your most used wires. A clean setup makes your home and office more comfortable and efficient.